Welcome back to the channel, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today we are going to be doing an oil change because it's over 500 miles already, so we'll be doing that today. We are gonna be able, now it's time. So yeah, I know I haven't been on the channel in a while because we haven't gotten the car tuned yet. There's been some, it hasn't been gone to plan, and it's okay. That's no problem. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna change the oil today, and then after that, maybe in the next couple weeks, I have some consistent video for you guys for the Evo. So that's gonna be excited. So I'm stoked about that, and let's get this started, baby. Yeah. We need the oil. This is the oil pan grade 10W40 synthetic. Nice. Oil filter. This is the part number. Oil container to when you drain all the oil. You gotta put it somewhere. Towels and a funnel. Start put it on a jack stand first, and then yeah, proceed from there. See how it goes. Maybe I don't have to take the bumper out. I mean, hopefully not, or the side skirt. Not really want to do that right now, but if I have to, it's no problem. It's all good. It's all good. No problem. We are going to get it done. About the bumper, so that's great. Open open this right here, which it helps out give air when you're draining everything out. So gotta drain the plug first. So that's the oil pan, filter, the oil container, and the oil bolt is right above here, right there. This thing is hard. God damn! I got a power tool because of that, because that thing was extremely hard. And we'll be unbolting. Let me put this a little more further. I want this to be draining like crazy. She's draining. There you go. Oh. Drain out for, I will say, 20 minutes. Next thing is the oil filter. Oil filter, was she replacing it? Hopefully that thing is not hard. Now, see if we could take the filter out. Filter has oil, just letting you know. It has oil, so there will be oil dripping. Oh. So that is pretty much for all you could do in here. Now we just gotta clean up all the drain plug again, the drain bolt, drain plug bolt, and put the filter. And that's about it. So it's recommended that to put oil on the oil filter, just a little bit. Very important, so it's good that you do. Kinda, yep. I mean, that should be good enough. I don't know, this is my first time doing this, so this is my first time doing an oil change on the Evo, so if you guys see something I'm doing wrong, please don't, just comment on down below and just let me know. I like to learn from you guys, you know, what I'm doing wrong, so I can learn as I go. But yeah, now what you just gotta do is put it on. My hand's a little slippery due to the oil. Just gotta clean my hand again and sorry, the camera. What you gotta do? All right. Yep, she's tight. To clean oil now, nice and clean. The drain container. Take the bolt out, drain it, take the filter out, clean it, put it back in, put the bolt back in, and that's it. And now time to work on top. Alright, now next is, gotta pull about, Evo takes about 5 quarts of oil, 4.5 to 5, something like that, but we'll be putting 5 quarts. Clean the dipstick. There you go. Yo, what's up, Martillo? Here we go. It's nice and clean. is now lower the car, and from there on we're gonna check the dipstick and check the level of it, and if it's good, then we're gonna turn it on and let it warm up for a bit. I don't know if you guys can see. It's probably blurry. This guy can see. There you go. It looks good. It's good. It's good. Perfect. Level is good. And now we could go for a cold start. From a cold start, let's see how she is doing, baby. In the next few weeks, it should go to plan, and I hope so it does. If it doesn't, what can you do? It's the way things works. Everything takes time. And we are actually have 2 more stuff that I do want to do to the project, so you're still gonna get some consistent videos going on. So 2 more projects that I want to do, so that will be good. That will be also soon on the channel, so can't wait for that. That is going to be good. That's going to be good. Like rock chips and stuff like that from the tire, and it looks bad. Some paint like here too, a little bit, and some here, so I'm just gonna touch up the paint a little bit there too. I gotta change, I gotta repaint it. So that's one. It's going to be, I gotta repair this carbon fiber right here. I already got some parts of it, just waiting for it. That's another project that I wanted to do for you, so you guys can see pretty soon. Right here, this is it's getting a lot of sun. Let me see if we could concentrate a little bit. Maybe focus. See here, it's kind of wearing out a little bit. It's cracking a little bit, so I'm gonna repair this carbon fiber here a little bit. I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna try to repair it. Hopefully it should be repairable. I know that's possible. Let me just hopefully can repair it. Like I said, that's so basically the side skirt and this are going to be 2 different videos. So I'm gonna do one for that and one for this one for the carbon fiber. So review it one more time before all this stuff. So now let's just do a cold start and hopefully let it run for a while and see it. Yeah, the level is good. The level looks great. It looks great. Let's see. I'm very paranoid now since the engine is new and stuff like that, so I do get paranoid. But I know it's fine. It's just me. I get very paranoid, so that's why I just want to tune it. That's why I'm going crazy to tune the car, because once I know it's tuned, I feel much better. But for now, so I just put the camera down there because I want to check for any oil leak. But it looks good, so far so good. She's very, very, very loud, but I freaking love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so the oil change, folks, that's how you do it. Basically, put the car in jack, make sure it's level nicely, you know, make sure it's safe, and you take the bolt out of the oil pan, put a container under it, make sure you put a container because you need to have something to put her on it, and then you take the filter out. Once you take both out, let it drain out, you clean it, and then you put the new filter, you put the bolts, the oil pan bolt, and after that, put the oil, check for the oil the dipstick oil, and check the level is good. If it's good for you, then that's great. All you gotta do is then turn on the car, and that's it, folks. That's pretty much it. It's an easy thing to do. It's not really hard. Recording just makes it a little more difficult, but I got it. My first oil change. Yeah, baby! This is awesome. It's be fun. Can't wait. Yeah, I'm just trying to make some videos for you guys for the Evo 2. But yes, it was very important to me to change the oil too. That was over a little above 500 miles already, so I had to. Good, now I feel a little better. And the other thing is, I'll keep you guys posted. I am. I'm gonna keep posting. I'm trying to make more videos now too. Want to be more informative. I'm learning as I go, so the Evo is teaching me how to work on cars, and I love it. I love this thing. This thing is crazy. I'm trying to make more videos for you guys. I really am. All right, boys and gals. If you like this video, hit the like, subscribe button, and stay tuned for more. All right. Peace.